Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer networks. Our first question is, which network topology requires a central controller or hub? Here given options are option A ring, option B bus, option C star, option D mesh. So your correct answer is option C star. In star topology, no computer is connected to another computer directly, but all the computers are connected to a central hub. Every message sent from a source computer goes through the hub, and the hub then forward the message only to the intended destination computer. Our next question, if a link transmits 400 frames per second and its slot has 8 bits, what is the transmission rate of the circuit using time division multiplexing, that is TDM? Given options are option A 500 kbps, option B 32 kbps, option C 32 bps, option D 500 bps. The correct answer is option B 32 kbps. So here see the explanation. Transmission rate equal frame rate into number of bits in a slot. Given that frame rate is 4000 per second and frame rate is 4000 per second and number of bits in slot 8. So transmission rate equal 4000 into 8 bps equal 32,000 bps. So 32,000 bps equal 32 kbps. So our correct answer is option B, 32 kbps. Next question, which of the following is a network layer protocol for the internet? Given options are option A hypertext transfer protocol, B file transfer protocol, C Ethernet, D internet protocol. The correct answer is option B internet protocol. There are several protocols used in network layer. Some of them are IP, ICMP, CLNP, ARP, IPX, HRSP, etc. Hypertext transfer protocol is for application layer and Ethernet protocol is for data link layer. Next question, which of the following allows LAN user to share computer programs and data? Given options are A file server, B network, C communication server, D print server. The correct answer is option A file server. So file server allows LAN users to share computer programs and data. It uses the file transfer protocol to provide this feature on ports 20 and 21. The file server works as a medium for the transfer. Our next question, what type of transmission is involved in communication between a computer and a keyboard? Given options are A half duplex,